why you're my favorite, and I'ma keep on saying.
All right, so we're now joined by drama teacher at the Clancarty High School, Shanisa Grant, who will find out if she have any money leave after giving 18 of her students $1,000 each for getting 80% or more on their test. Miss, good morning. Welcome. How are you?
Good morning. I'm here.
I'm broke.
Everything all right this morning?
No, man, I'm surviving.
It's a fantastic story, and I suspect it's the best 18,000 you ever given in your life. Why you did it in the first place?
So the first class I had made a challenge with, I knew they could do it, but then the December exam just never live up to their potential. So I'm like, I have to find a way to get them, to really step up the game and do what I know they can do. So I'm like, all right, everybody, 80% and over, I guarantee $1,000. And they live for her.
What did they say initially? What did they?
No, man, everybody ready for the challenge.
Okay.
Yes, miss. Yeah, man.
But did
I forget my $1,000.
Have you figured out why they didn't do well in the December test?
I think sometimes it's a lack of motivation. Because the school's pass mark is 60, so a lot of them just try to work towards the 60. Once they pass the 60, they're comfortable with pass.
Well, they have more in them.
They have so much more in them. They could have get 890s too, if they really push themselves.
That's the next challenge. I need to go $2,000.
Mr.
This is a drama teacher, can you tell?
Yeah, Mr.
So after that challenge, what did you see differently in them? Because they had to prep differently, they had to spend more time to make sure that they were working towards a goal. Did you see something shift in their mindset?
Well, the time frame between the challenge and the exam wasn't long. It was like probably a week.
That's all you need.
I mean, I'm sure they would have gone to study, and even in the revision, you could see them. Once I said I made the challenge in the revision class, you could see everybody was ready now to do the revision and get this thing going. Because the truth is, many of them, when they leave school, that's when school ends.
Yeah.
But when you get a challenge now, you're forced to now go home and take up the book.
Yeah.
Because not everybody have that support at home that says, go study, go take up your book.
Yeah. How are they as students in other subject areas?
I never checked. I really never checked.
So this was drama?
This is drama.
Okay.
Right, grade 9.
Grade 9 drama.
And I read where you got some help with.
I did. Once, look here, I still don't understand how this went so viral. But once, because I put the video out after a class, and by the time the next class was finished, I checked my phone. I'm like, what is going on? It was a video, and the inbox was full, and I got a lot of persons offering support, and I had accepted from the first person that I saw message me. I never know more was coming after that. There's a whole heap of things
what
coming
were people
after that.
saying? Tell us what was in your inbox.
Hi, miss, I love what you're doing. I'd love to pay for one of the child. I like to pay for 5. I'm like, all right.
So this could be an ongoing thing?
It could.
Miss Alfred.
But
it could.
There's a but in there.
It's not really a big but. It could.
Is there a way that perhaps you're not trying to make the children think that
it's all about the money? Right. It's not all about the money, but I want them to learn to set goals for themselves. It shouldn't be because we were offered something.
Right.
I mean, incentives are good.
Yes.
But sometimes I want them to learn to do that within their own self.
Yeah. You said 18. How many in the class?
Well, in one class that I was sure would have gotten 80 and over, the most of the class would have, that was 27. Okay. The other class had 32. Now in this class, I did see a few of them who I knew would have risen to the occasion. So I said, all right, any one person would have gotten it. And then the class, two of them tie.
By the way, what were the marks? Did they just get the 80 or some get 90s and stuff like that?
Some got 90s. So it was between the 80s straight up to about 94.
Okay.
I feel like the 90s should have gotten like a little more change.
Extra, don't it?
That's what I'm saying.
No, man, but a challenge is a challenge, and 1,000 were promised, and 1,000 will give them.
Word is bond. Period. What does this say to other teachers about the methods? Because some teachers are not getting results. And this is not about the money now. This is about being able to think outside the box, the proverbial box. How does this encourage other teachers to get and extricate the best out of their students?
I mean, is knowing the students that you have, understanding them and what motivates them. So it takes some figuring out, some getting to know your students. Because I think once you understand your students and your students have this rapport, then you can foster some kind of change.
Yeah.
More young ladies or more young men in the class?
Oh, I should have checked that.
At your class, you know, Miss?
Miss is trying to figure out how to get her $18,000 back.
There might have been more boys. There might have been more boys, but it's not a large margin.
Okay. I asked because of the drama, because I know some of us going like, we're not into that today.
Oh no, the drama don't get much love, you know. It's only a few students.
Well, that's my point.
It doesn't get much love.
Yeah. Well done.
Thank you.
Well done. And as Sim said, thinking outside the box. But that man, they look like, if we get the money, he might jump 92.
Oh yes, he was most excited.
Miss never want to go for the money there. I think it's brilliant.
Thank you.
Just really, really well done. And, you know, just as teachers, we just have to be so... And really, you're a teacher. I'm a teacher. It's inspiring because it shows you how you can get... Exactly right. Beautiful. Exactly right. And Miss, from our lips to God's ears, you're going to get that $18,000 back 100 times.
I tell you, I accepted from the person that had the first person that was in my inbox. And I was saying to her, you don't have to give me for everybody. I said, Miss, I never you send come back, me nothing, you know.
Yeah.
And she sent it. Yeah. So who am I to say, no, me nobody want it.
Grand, the blessings are going to be torn.
Well, I'm glad Miss come here trying to give something, but like...
No, man, you can still give me.
Like come here, saying it.
No, man, you can still give. Because we have a project going on now, we're trying to rebuild the theatre arts room. So any donations we can get towards that, yeah. Look at God. Because our words are bonded. I remember saying promise, saying him did not give me something.
He must get a word for him.
Look at God. People...
On behalf of the family.
Drama
Thank
teacher
you.
at the Clancarty High School, Shanissa Grant. Brilliant, Miss. God bless you and the students. Tell them hi for us. Going to go for a break. Second edition of News in 5. Then we speak with the coaches in the final of TVJ's Schools Challenge Quiz. Soon come.